you're looking for a functional, compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Dodge Journey in ceramic gray. With halogen quad headlamps, sunscreen glass, 17-inch aluminum wheels, black power heated mirrors, incandescent tail lamps, rear window wiper and washer, front bucket seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 21,000 miles on the odometer, 4.3-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, third row seating, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number P71682.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.